This is a manual how to use the washing machine. The first one is the program. Here is explained exactly which kind of problem we have according how dirty are the clothes, and it's a mechanical thing. It means that you can put the number that you want. Recommended, for example, number 2 is for regular clothes. So if, for example, 2 now is in the position number 4, okay, he's gonna start taking the water inside, and we'll start the normal program. Here you can also manually adjust the temperature. About 40 or 45 degrees is the recommended for all kind of clothes. So now it's working, and if you want to force, for example, to take the water out, you need to spin here, for example, this point, 2 points more, and now through that hole is taking all the water out. So that's basically all how it works. Then when all is ready, what you need to do is to just disconnect from the button. That's important, and wait. Don't try to open using that the key or that latch, because it's not possible. To release, to open, is necessary always to switch off, and you can open in any point of the program. It means that if you have an emergency, for example now, and you want to open, you only need to disconnect here from the power, and wait. After wait a couple of is usually less than a minute. So after less than a minute, you will hear a small click, and means that it's possible to release. Now it's not possible. Don't try to open. If you try to open, you will broke it. So you need to wait. You need to wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, until we will hear a noise. Okay, we wait more, a little bit more. Now you hear the noise, so now it's possible to open. So, and we can do, for example, to add more detergent or more clothes or something else, and you can, once again, you do, or you put the number that you want, which one you want, and you switch on, and we'll start cleaning. We will resume and we'll start the program. Now once again it's taking the water here, and more or less is how it works.